has been in this industry for 20 years. My previous home was designed and completed by Nelson from U-Home. Nelson handled our project smoothly and professionally, earning our wholehearted trust.
We shifted from a HDB maisonette unit to a 4-room flat. Space and design were our main concerns. With the challenge of a limited space, Nelson and his designer Jacqueline paid attention to every details of our needs. Jacqueline is not only meticulous, but also has creative ideas and solutions for our requirements. She managed to transform our limited space into a warm and cozy home that exceeded our expectations. It's not easy to choose a reliable and trustworthy ID. It's best to select one accredited with KSTRAS and RCMA, and also a certified renovation practitioner. This is to make sure you have a better peace of mind during the renovation. If I have another home to renovate, I definitely choose U-Home again, as they meet all the criteria and requirements.